Hello, Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. And I want to open up the possibility of what happens when we stop chasing. This builds on a video from quite a while ago that I call Scrambling for the Feed, that grasping quality of gotta and I better and how about and I'm running over here and I have to connect over here and then I have to do this and what's really happening in that moment. Look at what happens with the energy. It's like here and then it's here and then it's here and it's here and here and here. And you wonder why there isn't a connection in that moment. Now, when we're willing to stop chasing, chase after this person, this thing, this item, this, just stop, right? Now energy can come to us. People can come to us. Possibilities can come to us. Because we're not all over the place. The energy can't come to us if we are not available, which is another piece that's happening here. We're all over the charts. We're not really available. And it's a real scattershot concept. Yet when we dare to just, okay, I'm not chasing, I'm just going to allow myself to be, now the energy knows how to get to us. What's your experience of chasing or being chased? Do you still chase? What has chasing taught you? Comment, share with us. RapidBodyMindClarity.com. Let's connect, shall we? Thanks much. Until next time, cheers.